In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Pandadoc to create and finalize a document seamlessly. Whether you're preparing a business contract, an agreement, or just need a simple document with a signature, Pandadoc makes the process straightforward and efficient. Let's dive in and walk through each step to get your document ready in no time. To begin, we're going to log into Pandadoc. Open your browser and navigate to the Pandadoc login page. Make sure you have your username and password handy and enter them carefully to access your dashboard. Once you're in, you'll see your personalized Pandadoc workspace, which serves as your command center for creating, managing, and sending documents. Now that we're in, let's create a new document. Look for the Create Document button on your dashboard screen. Clicking this will give you various options for building your document, ranging from templates to a blank canvas. For simplicity's sake today, we'll select Blank Document, which allows us to start from scratch. This is particularly useful if you have a unique format or content in mind that's not covered by existing templates. Once you've decided on a blank document, you may need to add a recipient. This step is crucial if you're planning to send this document to someone for review or their signature. On the Pandadoc platform, adding recipients can be done by entering their email address. However, if you're working on the document solo for now, feel free to click Skip and continue to modify the document later. Next up, it's time to add a signature box. On the right side of the screen, you'll find a set of options you can drag and drop onto your document. Look for the Signature option and simply click, drag, and drop it to the appropriate location on your document. Getting this in the right spot is key, so your recipient knows where to sign. With the signature box in place, go ahead and double-click it. This action opens up further customization options for the signature field, allowing you to specify who the signer is and refine its appearance on the document. Before proceeding, take a moment to review the signature placement and settings. Once satisfied, click Accept and Sign. This action is crucial as it locks in the signature field, signaling it's ready for you or your client to use. Finally, it's time for a comprehensive review of the entire document. With Pandadoc, it's straightforward to ensure everything is in order before you finalize it. Once your review is complete and everything looks perfect, simply click Finish Document. This step finalizes all changes and settings, effectively preparing your document for distribution. And there you have it. You've successfully created, tailored, and finalized a document using Pandadoc. With its intuitive interface, Pandadoc makes the whole process not only possible, but incredibly easy to manage. Thank you for following along and happy documenting.